What's up, guys? We're back for another opening. If you saw our last video, we did some Vivid Voltage and we didn't get what we were looking for. I really want to do some more Vivid Voltage, but I figured you guys don't want to see Vivid Voltage twice. So we're going to open up some Champion's Path, some Hatterne and Dubwool boxes. Maybe we can pull a dub from the Dubwool box and get another Charizard, because I have one of each.
What's up, guys? So we are going to open this. I've been waiting so long.
Let's open up some Champion's Path. Yeah?
Okay.
All right, let's get into it. Dubwool.
This is Hatterne.
Okay, guys, so we are going to go a heads-up competition between Dubwool boxes and Hatterne boxes. I've had equal luck on both types. I've been through 8 of each one, I think, already, besides these. And I haven't got diddly squat. I always get my good stuff out of the ETBs, but we're going to do this anyway. I think we're going to start with Hatterne. Hatterne, Dubwool. Dubwool is going to come in with the dub. We're going to get the W, and we're going to get another Zard. Gardevoir's coming in for the win. First pack, all on you.
Let's get into it.
Oh, this is a tough one. Oh, oops. I'll do the card trick for you. 1, 2, 3, 4. I declare some more. Fire! Alright, dude. Let's get
Blow
it.
some foam.
There you go.
Beedrill. Pop. Potion. Carvana.
I see something.
Roly Poly.
Do I? I see something.
Machop.
Oh man, come on, pull it faster. Pull it faster. Oh, this is good. Oh man. All right. Pack number. Oh, this is pack number 6. So that means last pack magic on the box would have been 8 out of. No, totally wrong there. Because there's 10 that come into an ETB. So that would be this one. So yeah, number 8's where I pulled Zard.
Is that one hard to pull?
Not as hard as the last one.
So we just got a V out of it.
Okay. Man, let's do it again. Every time.
I'll tear you.
Every time.
Every time we at least have to get them once, I guess.
All right, dude. It's all you. Give me some good luck.
Breast energy. Rotom from Beedrill. Pop.
Purloin.
Scraggy. Full Heal.
Hatterne.
Hatterne. The Chop.
Oh, what do we got? Oh,
Lycanroc.
Lycanroc.
Probably one of the best Pokemon ever.
Come on, Charizard. Are you in there? I'll take the rainbow rare or the shiny. I don't care. But they want to give me a Scrafty instead.
Scrafty's one of the best Pokemon ever.
I have a really good feeling about this one.
Oh, I see something.
You see the shine. I don't know what it is, but there's a shine. I see it. Can you guys see it? Can you see it on video? You see that down there? It could be so shiny. It could be so shiny. And these cars are really slippery. That slippery little lizard, you know, slithery little snake.
Palms are sweaty.
Oh, they are. I don't see him listening. Is it gonna be another Zard? Is it gonna be another Zard? Please let it be another Zard.
Please.
All right, here comes the reverse.
Oh!
No. It's a Gardevoir V full art.
I don't think we have one.
No, we don't. But get sweaty hands for almost nothing.
Fighting energy. Malamar. Grateful. Milo. Inkay. Roly-Poly. Sizzlepede. Purloin. Scraggy.
Dang, Obstagoon. You Obstagoon, you. So easy to find.
But it's such a good card.
It's like when a 2-year-old's like hide and seek and then they go hide in plain sight. It's how easy it is to find one of these babies.
But it's such a good card.
Okay, come on, Charizard. I'm gonna get something good. I know it. I just don't know what. This pack feels nice, and it's not a Hatterne box.
Ooh.
Oh, electric energy. I always like these. Well, I don't know what to really say about that.
I mean, we got
But, I mean,
Gardener, I like it.
You like it.
I kind of like the energy card better.
Same here. But let's not hate on Gardevoir.
No, I think we actually needed.
I think we needed
both of them actually. I'm actually working on a set right now because you see this little dead pile of Champions Path. There's plenty of cards in there to make at least 4 80% complete sets. I'm sure. I got more hidden down at the bottom, but you know, we're gonna go through and try to make just one to start. something good.
We love liking rock.
You're best, man. Every time I get him, I cry.
Yeah, because it's such a good. Hey, this is double.
No, but it's a different. We're doing a competition, sir. If you paid attention to the intro here, you know, right after the immediate intro, we talked about we're gonna do a competition between Hatterne and Dubwool. We got 8 to 5. I mean, so we are gonna get a little bit more out of the Dubwool boxes, but not much more. Maybe just like, I don't know. Maybe it's gonna be the same. Who knows?
I hope it's not the same.
Psychic energy says.
We don't have one.
Yes, we do.
We do.
Yeah, there's like 4 of these.
You don't?
Yeah, I do. Okay. All right. Can it be sighted?
You've been hiding for too long, but we already found it.
This is
your twin brothers, but you need to come first.
last pack magic, dude, for you. Pull it.
Deidre, Ripple, Sonia, Hatterne, Folio, Scraggy, Purloin, Shot, Rockruff.
Oh man.
Why you? Why?
I don't think my luck's gonna be much better. I mean, it could be the last pack magic. It could be right now. It could be not at all.
Or it could be.
Look at that one. Look at it. Look, it's all busted up. It's got a white spot on it.
I swear, if that's a Charizard, I'm gonna cry.
I hope it's not. Well, let's see. Oh, I'm so sorry, Machok. Maybe they won't. If it is a Charizard, maybe they won't dock me because it's a print error. Oh, there's something.
Oh, no.
There is something shiny. Oh wait. Good. Look at that. It's all busted up. No champ. Bent and.
There's a stain on it.
We saved the cake for last.
I like cake.
Last pack magic. Do we got it?
I like cake, so I think so.
Are we gonna get it?
I'm closing my eyes.
Oh, dude, there's something. Do y'all see it? Do y'all see it? Ah, do y'all see it? Oh, man. It's just the outline of the reverse rare.
Goodbye, guys. I'm never coming.
I'm gonna go cry myself. Fine, yeah, whatever. Alright, guys, our best pull of the night. Holographic energy. I mean, actually, it's probably a Gardevoir V full art, but I mean, it's just as bad. So, no Charizard.
But
Which
which one was better? Which one was better?
Which one out of what?
Like, out of the two.
Dubwool definitely was better. Hatterne threw out a bunch of dubs, Scrafties and Cinescorches and stuff. We didn't get any dubs out of the Dubwool box.
except for
including the dub we were looking for. But
what we got was this.
yeah, the holographic energy and a Gardevoir V full art. But I mean, let's take a step back. We did need a couple of these cards to complete our set, so
That's true.
we will definitely keep looking. I'm probably only going to open Champion's Path if I stumble across it, so I'm not on the lookout for that. So you guys have a good night. Hopefully you find another Charizard. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. We'll see you next time.
Peace. I love y'all.
Do your job. Always do your job.
Always.
Somebody is upset.
Who's that somebody?
And
He's just making videos while I was asleep.
well, you shouldn't go to bed like a little kid.
Well, I gotta go.
He has to go to bed.
I have to go to school, okay? I need an
you know,
education.
as an adult, and I get to do these things sometimes when you're not around.
Yeah, you should open
You know?
like half of it. And I get
But
to
hey,
open
it's
half
okay. When you get old, you got bills and rent and all kinds of other things, and
I
paying
still
for
got
little
education though.
little people like you.